With 40 years of production, up to 15 years of sectorial experience and knowledge in a closed area of 4,500 square meters, while at the same time, with its quality standards and distinctive corporate culture, is rapidly advancing towards becoming a leading company in Turkey and in the world. Acting with the philosophy of quality and innovative production, Masfen Machinery aims to provide the best quality and service to its customers in plastic pipe production lines and machines by bringing together its design, electrical automation, and production experience. Exporting 85% of its production, Masfen Machinery continues to export to 55 countries, primarily to America, Europe, Russia, and North African countries. The main fields of activity of Masfen Machinery are polyethylene pipe production machines, PPRC pipe production machines, PVC pipe production machines, filament production machines, drip irrigation pipe production machines, and sprinkler irrigation pipe production machines. The design, machining, welded manufacturing, production, and automation of the machines are carried out by the experienced team in Masfen Machinery's factory, which is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery. Before and after production, the quality control of the products is carried out with product control devices, and all stages of the production process are closely followed to ensure the process is maintained without interruption. After production, the test studies of the machines are carried out meticulously, taking into account the factory conditions of the customer. Machines can be controlled remotely wherever they are in the world, and customer needs are quickly met by solution-oriented technical staff. Regularly participating in prestigious fairs such as Plast Eurasia, Interplastica, and K-Exhibition, Masfen Machinery follows the sector with great interest and devotion both at home and abroad. Masfen Machinery continues to grow with determined steps in line with its strategic goals by combining its sectorial experience with its mission to become one of the few companies in the world in the plastic pipe machinery sector by producing quality and innovative machines and the vision of meeting the needs and admiration of its customers all over the world.